G'day guys, it's Damien from Defender 90 Orkney. Today I have an unboxing video for some nice brand new spotlights. They are the Htx2 from Lightforce. I've got a set of 4 here. I'm going to unbox one of them, take you through the new features and what comes with the Htx2 from Lightforce. So here they are, the Htx2 from Lightforce. I've been running the Htx1 for a while now. You would have seen my review videos on my YouTube channel. I've also put some videos up on my Instagram about them. They're a fantastic light. I cannot recommend these highly enough. They're basically 2 lights for the price of 1. You get your LED ring for spread, and in the middle you've got a HID for the spot. So let's unbox these and see what's inside. Always come nicely packaged, these lights do. Obviously don't want to damage these when they get shipped. So first thing I see is your instructions, your user guide. Obviously giving you information about mounting and how to wire them up. So that's all in that booklet. Got a Lightforce sticker and your warranty registration card. So that's first out of the box. Second is the foam. So as you can see, that's not going to get damaged while it's being shipped to you. And then we have the actual light. So we'll get rid of that box, but you can see that's all foam inside there, so once they're getting shipped to you, they're never going to get damaged in that. But these lights, they are more efficient apparently than the first ones. So they've got first thing I notice is this rear is all different to the ones I've got at the moment. It's a bit of a redesign. All aluminium one-piece housing, where the other HTX are probably a couple of parts. So this is supposed to help with cooling and whatnot. Also the lens is different. On the first HTX this is all flush and this lens cover is sort of inside of it, where this one runs to the outside. These are above IP68 and IP69 waterproof rating, so yeah, you could go scuba diving basically with these and be alright. I don't recommend that you go scuba diving with them. So yeah, they're an upgrade in that department as well. Also, the surface area of this is bigger, so that helps with managing the heat as well. So not only is the heat sink on the back redesigned and all aluminium one piece, but this surface area is better and bigger for heat distribution. So keeping your lights cooler, which means using less power from your batteries, which is always a good thing. You can also pick up from Lightforce some modular filter covers, so something that helps with spots and something that helps with spread. And also you've got some just some black covers you can put over the top of them. You know, if you're driving around, sometimes the cops can hassle you if you don't have covers on them. So yeah, there's another thing that has come along with these HTX2. So the lights come with redesigned seals, so you definitely won't be getting any water in there on top of that IP rating. And also this housing has a new pre-treatment, and it also has a UV stabilized powder coating finish, so these will have no problem sitting in the sun for a long time, the Australian sun, or any other sun for that matter, and you're not going to get any fade, so another improvement. So on some of the newer cars, you've got a frontal crash avoidance system that comes with the car. These are more compatible with that, so that's always a good thing, keeping the safety in mind. They're also a slimmer line design that can fit, I guess, on a bull bar to your grill a lot easier, so no problem mounting them. Along with that, there's also improved mounting system for the bolt, so you will secure these without a worry. One other thing is it's got an easier way to get to the HID globe on these, so I'm guessing with these 4 Allen key screws, just take that off and you'll be able to access the HID globe for replacement if you ever need to. They've also just beefed up the rigidity and strength of these lights much more than the Htx1. So, you know, they're a really good light. I've been running the Htx1s. I was very impressed with those. I don't know how they're improving something that's really good already, but they have. And I can't wait to put these on the car and try them out. You're going to get 1 lux as quoted by Lightforce at 1,656 meters. So, you know, I've got 4, so I'm guessing I'm going to get a little bit more than that. But that's great distance, you know, when you're on those long highways with no lights and you're just waiting for that kangaroo to pop out. I think you're going to have a good chance of seeing it before you do some damage to your car. So again, I can't wait to get these lights on the car. I'm going to go install them right now. Thanks guys.